Ordering food at a restaurant. Waiter. Good evening. Welcome to the food spot. May I take your order? Customer. Yes, I'd like a cheeseburger and a glass of lemonade, please. Waiter. Would you like fries with that? Customer. Yes, please. Waiter. Great. Your order will be ready in 10 minutes. Customer. Thank you. Asking for directions. Tourist. Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for the train station. Local. Sure. Walk straight for 2 blocks, then turn left. You'll see the station on your right. Tourist. Thank you so much. Local. You're welcome. Have a great day. Shopping at a store cashier. Hello. How can I help you today? Customer. Hi. I'm looking for a new phone. Do you have any recommendations? Cashier. Yes. This model is very popular and has a great camera. Customer. That sounds perfect. How much is it? Cashier. It's $299.99. Customer. Okay, I'll take it. Talking to a new friend person 1. Hi, I'm Alex. What's your name? Person 2. Hi, Alex. I'm Mia. Nice to meet you. Person 1. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? Person 2. I'm from Canada. And you? Person 1. I'm from the U.S. What do you do? Person 2. I'm a student. I love learning English. Person 1. That's great. Let's practice together. Sure. Booking a hotel room receptionist. Good afternoon. Welcome to Grand Hotel. How can I help you? Guest. Hi. I'd like to book a room for 2 nights. Receptionist. Sure. Would you like a single or a double room? Guest. A double room, please. How much does it cost per night? Receptionist. It's $120 per night, including breakfast. Guest. That sounds good. I'll take it. Receptionist. Great. Please fill out this form. At the doctor's office. Doctor. Good morning. What brings you here today? Patient. I have a headache and a sore throat. Doctor. How long have you had these symptoms? Patient. For about 3 days. Doctor. I see. Let me check your temperature. You have a slight fever. I'll give you some medicine. Patient. Thank you, doctor. Making an appointment receptionist. Hello. This is Sunshine Dental Clinic. How can I help you? Caller. Hi. I'd like to book an appointment with Dr. Smith. Receptionist. Sure. When would you like to come? Caller. Do you have any slots available this Friday? Receptionist. Yes, we have an opening at 3 p.m. Does that work for you? Caller. Yes, that's perfect. Thank you. Receptionist. You're welcome. See you on Friday. Buying a bus ticket. Passenger. Excuse me, I'd like to buy a ticket to New York. Ticket seller. One way or round trip? Passenger. Round trip, please. Ticket seller. That will be $50. Passenger. Here you go. What time does the next bus leave? Ticket seller. The next bus leaves in 30 minutes. Passenger. Great. Thank you. Returning an item at a store customer. Hi, I'd like to return this shirt. It doesn't fit me. Cashier. Do you have the receipt? Customer. Yes, here it is. Cashier. Would you like a refund or an exchange? Customer. I'd like an exchange for a bigger size. Cashier. No problem. Let me get that for you. At the airport check-in counter agent. Good morning. May I see your passport and ticket, please? Passenger. Sure. Here they are. Agent. Thank you. Do you have any checked baggage? Passenger. Yes, this suitcase. Agent. Okay, your luggage is within the weight limit. Here's your boarding pass. Gate 12, boarding starts at 10 a.m. Passenger. Thank you so much. Ordering coffee at a cafe barista. Hi, welcome to Java Cafe. What would you like to order? Customer. Hi, I'd like a cappuccino, please. Barista. What size? Small, medium, or large? Customer. Medium, please. Barista. Great. That'll be $4.50. Customer. Here you go. Barista. Thank you. Your coffee will be ready in a minute. Asking for help in the store. Customer. Excuse me, can you help me? Salesperson. Of course. What are you looking for? Customer. I need a dress for a wedding. Do you have anything in blue? Salesperson. Yes. Let me show you some options. What size do you need? Customer. Medium, please. Salesperson. Here you go. You can try them in the fitting room. Talking to a taxi driver passenger. Hello, I need to go to Central Park. Taxi driver. Sure. Do you want to take the highway or the city route? Passenger. The highway, please. It's faster. Taxi driver. All right. Should I drop you at the main entrance? Passenger. Yes, that would be perfect. How much will it cost? Taxi driver. Around $15. Passenger. That's fine. Thank you. Making a phone call to a friend. Caller. Hey, Sarah. How are you? Friend. Hi. I'm good. How about you? Caller. I'm great. Are you free this evening? Let's meet for coffee. Friend. That sounds nice. What time? Caller. How about 5 p.m. at Cafe Delight? Friend. Perfect. See you there. Caller. See you soon.
I hope you found these sentences useful. Now, it's your turn to practice. Try using these sentences in your daily conversations. Daily use English sentences for beginners. Improve your English speaking skills. Hello and welcome to English Gateway. Today, we are going to learn daily use English sentences that will help you speak English confidently. These sentences are simple, easy to remember, and useful for everyday life. So, let's get started. Greetings and small talk. Let's begin with some common greetings and small talk phrases. Hello, how are you? Good morning. Have a great day. Nice to meet you. How's your day going? What's up? I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Long time no see. How have you been? See you later. Take care. Good night. Sweet dreams. Take care and stay safe. Asking and giving information. Now, let's learn some sentences to ask and give information. What time is it? Where is the nearest bus stop? Can you help me, please? Excuse me. Do you know where this place is? How much does this cost? I don't understand. Can you repeat that? I'm new here. Can you guide me? The bank is next to the supermarket. There's a pharmacy across the street. It's about a 10-minute walk from here. Shopping and restaurants. Now, let's practice English for shopping and eating out. How much is this? Do you have this in a different size? I would like to buy this. Can I get a discount? I'm just looking. Thank you. Can I see the menu, please? I'd like a cup of coffee, please. I'll have a cheeseburger with fries. Could you bring me the bill, please? The food was delicious. Thank you. Travel and transportation. These sentences will help you while traveling. Where is the nearest train station? How can I get to the airport? What time does the bus arrive? I need a taxi, please. Can I book a ticket to New York? How long does the journey take? Is this seat taken? I have a reservation under my name. Can you suggest a good hotel nearby? Enjoy your trip. Expressing needs and feelings. Next, let's learn how to express what you need and how you feel. I need some help. Can you do me a favor? I feel tired today. I'm so happy to see you. I'm a little busy right now. I don't feel well. I am excited about this trip. That sounds like a great idea. I'm sorry. I didn't mean that. Don't worry. Everything will be fine. Making plans and invitations. Now, let's learn how to make plans and invite someone. What are you doing this weekend? Would you like to go out for dinner? Let's go to the movies. What time should we meet? Can we reschedule our meeting? I'll be there at 5 p.m. Let's catch up soon. That sounds fun. Let's do it. I'll check my schedule and let you know. See you at the party, at work and school. These sentences will help you at work or school. I have a meeting at 10 a.m. Could you send me the report? I'll finish this project by tomorrow. Let's work together on this assignment. I have an important exam next week. Could you explain this topic again? I need to take a short break. Please submit your homework by Friday. Let's have a group discussion. Good job. Keep up the hard work. Common responses and expressions. Here are some common responses and expressions. That's amazing. I totally agree with you. I don't think so. That makes sense. I have no idea. That's interesting. Tell me more. I'm not sure about that. That's a great suggestion. Congratulations. Well done. That's too bad. I'm sorry to hear that. Emergency and health situations. Here are some useful sentences for emergencies and health situations. Call an ambulance. I need a doctor. Where is the nearest hospital? I have a fever. I'm feeling dizzy. I have a headache. Please help me. There's been an accident. Stay calm and take deep breaths. Everything will be okay. Keep trying and you will succeed. Every small step brings you closer to your goal. Believe in yourself, and anything is possible. Mistakes help you learn and grow. Stay positive, and good things will happen. Hard work always pays off in the end. Never stop learning, never stop growing. You are stronger than you think. The best time to start is now. Your efforts today will shape your future. I'd like to check out now. I'm really sorry for the mistake. Please forgive me. I didn't mean to hurt you. It won't happen again. That's okay. Don't worry about it. I understand. No problem. I appreciate your apology. Let's forget about it. Thank you for understanding. I owe you an apology. I love reading books. My favorite hobby is painting. I enjoy playing the guitar. I like watching movies in my free time. I'm interested in learning new languages. Cooking is my passion. I love traveling to new places. Photography is my favorite hobby. I like playing sports. What are your hobbies? I think this is a great idea. In my opinion, this is the best option. You should try this new restaurant. Why don't we go for a walk? I suggest you take some rest. This movie is worth watching. I highly recommend this book. That's an interesting point. Maybe we can do it another way. Let's give it a try. You can do it. Believe in yourself. Never give up. Every day is a new beginning. Keep going. You're doing great. Mistakes help us learn. Stay positive and work hard. Success comes with patience. Dream big and achieve big. Your hard work will pay off. That's it for today. I hope you found these sentences useful. Now, it's your turn to practice. Try using these sentences in your daily conversations. Let me know in the comments which sentences were new for you.
Also, if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more English learning tips. See you in the next video.